Welcome to Sunday Market Analysis and Trading Ideas. Today's video, we are going to analyze gold, Euro USD. We are going to look on where we are today and what we are expecting next week. We are going to explain to you everything that we are going to be focusing on next week in order to take decision based on and make money from the market. So guys, that sounds amazing. Subscribe on the channel, like the video, share to your friends. Let's take this channel to 100K. So we are going to be back in a minute on our today's video. Okay, welcome. Let's start from the higher time frame, weekly time frame on Euro USD. So after NFP from last Friday, we are now in this area. So as the market was moving up, we've been in the uptrend. So as we are targeting this area, these are previous supply areas. We've been rejecting from this area multiple times. So now after last week, the market broke above this area where we are looking now to buy from. So as long as we've been rejecting from this area, we finally broke above and retest from this area. So we are now bullish from this candle, but in the previous days we broke above from this area, but we end up pulling back in the consolidation. This is a fake out. So now we broke above and we got a retest because we are now bullish. After breaking above this strong zone, this area, this is a strong zone. We broke above, we closed above, and we make a retest from this area. The reason that we make a retest from this area is because of this bullish candle. As long as we are above this area, we are expecting the market to be targeting from these previous supply areas where we can be looking for take profit. So as we are focusing on now, we are still in the bullish direction. We are in the uptrend. We broke above this area. We are expecting the market to continue in the upside. Okay, from here, this is daily time frame. So as long as we are staying above this area, as I was talking about this, we broke above and we make a retest from this area. This is a creation of support where we can buy from to go for bullish. The target we'll be looking for now is this area. As long as we are staying above this area, our opportunity are in this space. So next week we are going to be looking for buying. Let's move to the lower time frame and see how we're gonna getting a confirmation to go for buy. This is what I'm talking about from the daily time frame. We rejected from this area. The market was moving up, higher highs and higher low. We bought from this area, high, higher low, and we entered from this area. So we broke above again. We got a pullback and we make a retest from this area, and we are now expecting the market to continue in the uptrend. This was a higher high to higher low, so now we are expecting to go for the higher high. So that's why we are still expecting to buy from this area. So let's move to the lower time from H4 and see what an entry we are looking for. Okay, this is what I was talking about. We make a retest from this area and we are now created inverse head and shoulder. We have a neckline from this area, so we are expecting the market to continue in the up direction. Even we got this bullish harami where we can enter from. So now the market is closed. We are waiting for the market to open as soon as possible at night. So since tomorrow is Monday, we are expecting the market to continue in the uptrend. That you have to do is to look for the confirmation and you go for bullish. So as long as we are staying above this area, we are expecting the market to continue in the upside. Okay, let's now move to the lower time frame H1 and see if we can get more information. Okay, as I was talking about, this is a inverse head and shoulder. We have a neckline from this area. We are going to be entering from this area. As long as I'm waiting for the market to open, I'll be looking also to enter if the market also continue break from this area and we pull back to our previous low. I will still be looking for buy as long as I'm staying above this area. Okay, we are rejecting from this area. Entry will be from this area, but tomorrow we are on Monday, so maybe the market will pull back again from this area. This is a demand zone so that we can start also looking for buy from here. So as long as I'm staying this area, as I talked about, I'm still waiting for the market to give me a confirmation to go for bullish. That's all we have from Euro USD. We are still expecting next week to continue to buy Euro USD. Okay, let's take a look on gold. Let's start from the higher time frame, weekly time frame. As you know, from the last year, we've been moving up. The market was moving up till today, and even we created a new high. We don't have any target from this area, but we know how the market moves. As long as we are breaking some areas, we are expecting the market to continue in the upside. Okay, so we broke above this area from the weekly time frame. We are still above this area, means that we are expecting the market to continue moving up. We rejected from this area by these candlesticks. We got a buying pressure. We are still rejecting from this zone, so I'm expecting to continue in the upside. So let's move to the lower time frame and see what we're gonna get from there. From the time frame, the market broke above this area by making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So from this area, we are expecting to go for the higher high. These are entries. This is a hammer to go for the higher high. As long as we are in the consolidation, there's nothing to worry about. We are still expecting the market to continue in the uptrend. Okay, what are we looking for right now is that the candlestick that we have now is a bearish candle, is still rejecting from our previous low from the hammer candle. So now what are we going to be looking for is the market to continue in the upside. As long as we are staying above this area, this zone, we are expecting the market to continue in the upside. So we are going to check in the lower time frame H4 and see more information on the candlestick so that we can enter from there to go for buy. Okay, for our time frame, so we are rejecting from this area, and now what I'm gonna be looking for is that I need the market to make a higher high, higher low to go for the higher high, because we've been in this consolidation from the last week. So we are expecting the market to break above and continue in the up direction. So what we need to see is that if the market stay above this area, I'm waiting for the market to break above this previous neckline, where I can wait for the pullback to retest from this area, this demand zone, so that I can enter from there to go for bullish. So okay, this is an area I was talking about. As the market was moving up, low, lower high, low, lower high, low, lower high, we left this area imbalance. We wanted the market to break above and retest from this area from demand zone that we didn't come back to retest from there. So now if the market it will not be a surprise if gold continue down here and reject from here, so that we can look for buy again to continue in the uptrend. So I have to keep in my mind this area because it's interested. The market can pull back and reject from there so that we can continue the upside. Okay, so as long as I'm waiting for that, also I'll be waiting for breaking above this area, retest from there, and we continue in the upside. My entry will be from this area, or if we get that pullback from this area, I will be looking for more confirmation. Rejecting from this area, start making a high highs and higher low. The chart pattern from the lower time from like 15 minutes, I'll be looking for that. Okay, this is an area I'm talking about. If the market break below this area, this one, I will be expecting the market to even move until we get to this area. If you are a scalper, you can get some pips from this area. This area is not strong enough to reject from. So the area which is very interested is this one that I've been showing you. So if we break below from this area, I will be looking for a rejection from this one, so that I can wait for the confirmation to start making a higher highs and higher low, so that I can move for bullish again. So that's what I think about gold next week. Break below this area. We'll be waiting from this area to visit our previous imbalance area. This is a demand zone. That's what I'm going to be looking for next week. Looking for just buying opportunities rather than selling. Before you take a trade from the next week, you have also to check on the fundamental. These are all the fundamentals we have next week. So if you want to take a trade, you have to make a plan before you enter the market. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on next week on Euro USD. And gold, you are expecting to continue buying. Even the pairs like GU, I'm expecting to go for bullish. Okay, guys, thank you so much for your time. Until next time, remember to subscribe on the channel. Ciao, I'll see you back.